Hi, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to be making fried yam. This is a popular Ghanaian street food. This is normally deep fried, but today I will be doing this in the air fryer. First thing, you want to peel your yam and cut them into your choice of shape. You can cut them into any shape you like, but make sure you are not cutting them too big so that they are evenly cooked. I will wash and season my yam with some cumin and smoked paprika and olive oil. You can add some salt if you prefer, and I'm going to toss this to cook them evenly. I will add half cup of water into my air fryer. This is going to prevent the yam from becoming dry. So when it is all cooked, it's going to be crunchy outside but yet moist or soft inside. I will place a parchment paper for easy cleanup. I will set my air fryer at 360 degrees and I will be cooking this for 8 minutes, and after which I will be turning it over. And in about 16 to 18 minutes, our fried yam is ready. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and also comment. Thank you so much. In my opinion, a healthier choice to deep frying. There is nothing wrong with deep frying, but if you are trying to change your diet or do something different, this is another option for you to do. It tastes just like the fried yam, the deep fried one, so you can give it a try. And the time it takes for your yam to be cooked also depends on how big you cut them. So when you are cutting them, try to cut them evenly so they all cook at the same time. You can serve your yam with any side of your choice. I serve mine with some salad and some sauce and some protein of choice. And this is very easy to make, and I know you'll enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.